Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can delete Instagram search suggestion when typing. So for this you need to click on your profile picture at the bottom right of your screen and click on the three line at the top right of your screen. From over here you want to click on where it says your activities. From here scroll all the way down, click on where it says recent searches. From here, all of your recent search is going to be shown. Click on clear all at the top right and it's going to clear all of your search history. Once you do that, your search suggestions should be turned off. Once you do that, it should not suggest you anything when you're searching. Even after doing that, if you're still getting search suggestion, then you need to click on the three line again. Click on settings and privacy, scroll all the way down and click on help. From help, click on report a problem. Click on over here where it says report problem without shaking. Click on over here don't include and continue and explain your problem. To write this, please delete search suggestion when I'm typing on my Instagram and click on send at the top right. Once you do that, this report will be sent, Instagram staff will view it and they'll fix it. So that's how we guys can delete Instagram search suggestion when typing. Hit the subscribe to our channel once a step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.